Hi, I am Umar, an ERP functional consultant at Areterix Technologies. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a custom-built app developed by us, which helps to reconcile a single payment with multiple invoices. So let's quickly jump onto the dashboard and see the functionality. Here I am on my Odoo dashboard, and to see the functionality, we'll just quickly create a customer. Let's say I'll create a customer called Acme Inc. A new customer. Save. Right, and we have product here, 5 units. I'll just confirm this. I'll create 2 more invoices with the same customer. And here we have 10. Okay, and the last one, 15. Okay, so I have 3 invoices. Let's quickly look here. So I have 3 invoices and paid here, 1, 2, and 3, which totals to 15,750. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'll create a payment. So customer paid me, let's say 5,000 rupees, and he said divide them amongst these 3 invoices. Okay, so let's go to the payment and let's create a payment. So we have Acme Inc. So there's a payment of 5,000. Right, now I want to divide this amount amongst these 3 invoices. So what I'm going to do is I'll go here in the new module called partial settlement. I'll select your Acme Inc. Total due amount is shown here. I'll select the payment. So the payment that I entered of 5,000, it is shown here, and it will show all the due invoices at the bottom. So what I need to do is I just need to reconcile 5,000, 2,000 here, another 2,000 here, and another 1,000 here, and I'll just hit reconcile. So once done, all these 3 invoices are reconciled partially with the specified amount that I have entered. So here I have the invoice 1,000 amount with the payment number 7. Then I have another 2,000 amount again with the payment number 7 for the same customer, and invoice number 1, 2,000 amount again for the payment number 7. So this is how we can partially reconcile the invoices with this module. Later on, we would extend this feature over to bills, that is the customer bills, customer refunds, and vendor refunds, and customer credit notes. So in these 3 features, we would be extending this partial settlement functionality, so you would be able to reconcile all these 4 options partially, either with debit notes or credit notes or invoices or bills. If you are looking for some customization on your Odoo instance or are looking for a full-fledged implementation, feel free to get back to us. Thank you. Have a good day.